I go again on my own. Hey, gang. Shut the fuck up. Hey, gang, let me vibe. If you vibing involves me having to hear more of that shit, fuck no. Was it really that bad? And I ain't gonna lie, you sound like incest. Wait, what? I feel like if incest had a sound, you'd be it. This is Africa, not Alabama. Calm the fuck down. It's finna be a murder scene. You keep singing. Man, listen, they kicked me out of my pride. I'm homeless, gang. Damn, that's crazy. I don't remember asking. Damn, bro, why you so mean? Why are you such a bitch? I'm not a bitch. I'm just going through something. Okay, well, go do something over there. Bro, what the fuck did I do to you? You didn't do anything for me not to like you. Believe it or not, people don't have to like you. I understand that, but there's like a whole lot of animosity and hostility in your voice. There's a whole lot of bitch in yours, but you don't see me complaining. But you do understand I can kill you and your whole family. Bitch, you take one step, this meerkat finna give you a mirror clip on my mama. I'm just looking for a friend. I'm just looking for a reason. Please don't give it to me. I feel like we should start over. I feel like you should take cover. Okay, look, we got off on the wrong foot. You finna be 6 foot. Okay, can we stop with the you finna kill me jokes? Bitch, you threatened my family. I'm supposed to just let that shit slide? Bro, I didn't mean it. Okay, well, you cannot mean it in the afterlife. I'm tired of talking. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, imagine getting bitched by a meerkat. Fuck that supposed to mean? I've been saying you low, bro. I wouldn't take that shit. Girl took this shit. Oh, damn. Well, I'm not that fucking lying. I will do it to you, bro. The only thing you need to do is get a haircut. You and that lion look homeless. God damn. Isn't your best friend like a warthog or something? It's your best friend is a single life. God damn. Keep trying to tell y'all, stop fucking with these meerkats. Damn, bro. Get that meerkat meat out your mouth. Nah, but for real. Oh, shit. Did Mr. Throat and Cankle say something? Oh, so we got jokes. You talking shit like you not in danger. It's the only thing in danger is your heart you keep eating like that. God damn. Are you mad because you got no homeboys? It's just you. When you and your homeboys get together, y'all have neck offs. Ew, goddamn. I'm mad at us because he literally can't get bitches. You literally need to find a diet and a treadmill and stop letting giraffe deep throat your fucking nose. God damn.